Cheesecake is one of those desserts that we all love so much, but sometimes feel a little guilty indulging in because it's so rich. Well, what if there was a great excuse to eat it? What if it contained fiber, something so many of us need a little more of in our diets? This fall, All Brand is challenging Canadians to think inside the box for an unexpected fiber fix. So I'm going to share a recipe for a healthy twist on cheesecake that will help us get that recommended 25 grams of daily fiber into our diets. We're going to make a dairy-free, no-bake gingerbread cheesecake with an All Brand crust. We're going to start by making our crust, which is super simple, just 3 ingredients. Of course, we've got our All Brand. We've also got a cup of dates, and we have got some coconut oil and a little bit of sea salt. The first step is taking our All Brand and adding it to the food processor and blending into a bit of a coarse flour for about 30 seconds. Now, time for our dates. Once your dates are a bit of a paste, set them aside in a bowl. Now we're going to put our All Brand back into the food processor, and we are going to slowly but surely reincorporate our dates. And we are also going to add in our coconut oil and a little bit of that sea salt. And you know it's done when it forms into a nice ball. It's time to form our crust. So I'm going to save half of my dough for another cheesecake and press this one down into the bottom, and when I'm done, I'm going to set it in the fridge while I make my filling. We're going to start with a full fat coconut milk. We've got some cashews. I'm lightening this recipe up with a little bit of chickpeas. Now we're sweetening with some natural, beautiful organic honey. We're also going to add some molasses. We're also going to add spices. It's so important to grate your nutmeg fresh. I've got some cinnamon and some cloves in there as well. Some coconut oil, which really binds it all together, and some lemon juice, which gives it that sour cheesecake flavor. At this point, we are just going to pour the filling into our mold. It is so creamy and delicious. And we're going to place it in the fridge for about 12 hours. So I like to garnish with some Hasselbeck apples and maybe a bit of ice cream, but you could do some fresh figs on there, some chocolate, some nuts, whatever you like. How easy was that? And it is so delicious. I hope you love this recipe as much as I do. For more fiber-filled recipes, head to allbrand.com and Allbrand's new Pinterest page.